If you are in your 20s and feel like no matter how hard you work, money just disappears every month, this video is going to explain exactly why. It is not because you are lazy. It is not because you do not earn enough. It is because most people in their 20s are making the same 5 money mistakes over and over without ever realizing it. And the worst part, nobody ever sat them down and told them. Stay with me until the end, because mistake number 3 is the one that quietly destroys more financial futures than anything else on this list. Welcome to Sense and Sense, the channel where we break down money in plain language so you can actually do something about it. I am going to walk you through 5 financial mistakes that quietly drain your bank account every single month. For each one, I will tell you exactly what the mistake is, why so many smart people fall into it, and the specific fix you can apply starting today. Let us get into it. Mistake number 1, spending before saving. Here is how most people manage money. Income comes in, they pay rent, they buy groceries, they cover their subscriptions, they go out with friends, they shop online at midnight, and then at the end of the month, whatever is left, if there is anything, goes into savings. The problem with this approach is brutally simple. There is almost never anything left. Life always finds a way to spend every dollar you give it access to. The fix is a mindset shift that changes everything. Pay yourself first. The moment your income lands, before you buy a single thing, move a set percentage straight into a savings account. Even 10%, even 5% to start. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill you owe yourself, because you do. People who build wealth do not save what is left after spending. They spend what is left after saving. That one reversal is the foundation of every financial turnaround story you have ever heard. Mistake number 2, having no budget, just vibes. You roughly know your income. You kind of know your big expenses, but you have never actually sat down, written it all out, and given every single dollar a job. This is one of the most common financial mistakes across every income level. It is not just a broke person problem. High earners do this too, and they wonder why they still feel financially stressed despite making good money. A budget is not a punishment. It is not about restricting your fun or tracking every coffee. It is about awareness. When you know exactly where your money is going, you make intentional choices instead of reactive ones. A simple starting point is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income covers needs like rent and groceries, 30% covers wants like eating out and entertainment, and 20% goes to savings and clearing debt. It is not perfect for every situation, but it gives you a working framework in under 10 minutes. The people who feel most in control of their money are almost always the people who actually know their numbers. Mistake 3, and this is the one I warned you about at the start. Lifestyle inflation. Every single time your income increases, your spending increases to match it. You get a raise, you move to a nicer apartment, you land a better job, you upgrade your car, you start earning more, so you eat at better restaurants, wear better clothes, and take more expensive holidays. Your income keeps climbing, but so does everything else. And somehow, you are no richer than you were 2 years ago, despite earning significantly more. This is lifestyle inflation, and it is silent, socially acceptable, and financially devastating. The wealthy do not fall into this trap. When their income goes up, they keep their lifestyle largely the same, and every extra dollar flows into investments, assets, and opportunities that generate even more income. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is called your savings rate, and that gap is where all wealth is built. A person earning $40,000 a year with strong financial discipline will outbuild a person earning $80,000 a year who spends everything, every single time. Income is not the deciding variable. Behavior is. Mistake 4, ignoring how much your debt is actually costing you. Most people who carry debt know they have it. What they do not fully grasp is the true price of keeping it around. If you owe $3,000 on a credit card charging 20% interest and you only make the minimum payment every month, you will spend years clearing it and pay nearly double the original amount once all the interest is added up. Debt with high interest is like a hole in your bucket. It does not matter how much water you pour in, it keeps leaking out. And every single month you carry that balance, the hole grows a little bigger. The right move is to attack high-interest debt with real urgency, not minimum payments, but aggressive overpayments. Stop using the card while you pay it down. High-interest debt is not just a financial inconvenience. It is one of the most powerful wealth destroyers in existence, dressed up in a wallet-sized piece of plastic to look completely manageable. Mistake 5. Waiting to invest. This one hurts because the cost of waiting is completely invisible until it is far too late to fix. People convince themselves they will start investing when they have more money saved, when they understand the markets better, when life settles down a little. But the single most powerful force in building wealth is not how much you invest. It is how early you begin. If you invest just $100 a month starting at 22, using a simple index fund with average returns, you could have over $400,000 by retirement. Wait until 32, 10 years later, same monthly amount, same discipline, and that number drops to under $200,000, same money, half the result. Just because you waited, you do not need to be wealthy to invest. You do not need to understand every financial term. You need to start small, start now, and let time do the heavy lifting. Time in the market will always beat trying to time the market. Let us bring it all together. The 5 money mistakes keeping people broke in their 20s. 1. Spending before saving. 2. Having no budget. 3. Lifestyle inflation. 4. Ignoring the real cost of debt. 5. Waiting too long to invest. You do not have to fix all 5 this week. Pick the one that hit hardest, the one where you thought that is genuinely me, and work on just that one this month. Small, consistent changes in your 20s create massive financial differences by your 30s and 40s. That is not motivation talk. That is compound interest doing its job. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe to Sense and Sense. New money videos drop every Tuesday and Friday. And leave a comment below. Which mistake are you tackling first? I read every single response.